And I just want to say to you guys, I know like a lot of times I'm quiet, shy, nervous wreck. But no, seriously, like a lot of times I feel like I don't belong here, and it's like, what am I doing here? I do. But it's times like this that makes me know that I am definitely in the right place. And just so you guys know that your love for me is a very, very strong thing, because I could easily be home building houses, but I choose to be here with you guys.